Hello everybody, welcome back to the space where I share simple recipes for the spirit and for the body. We're talking food and life-transforming words from the Bible. Today I'm making this very easy and tasty potato salad. It used to be at every single barbecue party I catered for. Or is it catered to? Anyways, it was always a hit. Let's get started. So the best potatoes to use for this salad are the ones that retain their shape after cooking. We're talking new potatoes, fingerling and Yukon, to mention but a few. If you go to a Kampala market, just ask for Izad chips and those will work well. I peeled and cut mine into bite-sized pieces, placed them in a saucepan, added salt to taste and cooked them until they were done, about 10 minutes. Now I'm just adding them to my bowl. Next, we are adding all our finely diced vegetables: celery, red bell peppers, carrots, and cooked peas. Feel free to add whatever veggies you like because it's an open canvas at this point. So mix that up until well combined, and when I come back, we are going to be making the absolutely fantastic dressing for this salad. To make the dressing, I have in this bowl my mayonnaise, and to that I'm adding fresh cream, sugar, mustard. I feel like this is the ingredient which will totally elevate the dressing and therefore the salad, and finally the chopped parsley. Mix all the ingredients up really well. Now pour the dressing over your potato and veggies and give it another good mix until well combined. So now your potato salad, your delicious potato salad is ready to be served. You can do that next to any number of roast meats, chicken, and whatever else tickles your fancy. Thanks for watching today's episode. And until my next one, may the good Lord cause you to trust in Him completely. Bye.